TunePocket.com. TunePocket.com.
Good morning. I just request you to watch the video till the end because the main part is always at the end. In the beginning, we have to learn just the basic part. Okay, okay, just let's start. We are going to discuss problem based on basics of polynomial. If you don't have visit, seen the video of basics of polynomial, just go through it. After that, see these problems. Okay, let's move on. The question says if px is equal to 5 minus 4x plus 2x square, then find p0 and p minus 2. Only we have to understand is what is meant by p0 and p minus 2. This is the thing I haven't dealt in basis of polynomial. P0 means we have to put, okay, we have to put 0 in place of x. Here p is a function of x. So what we have to do is we have to find the value by putting 0 in place of x. Similarly, here also we have to put minus 2 in place of x. So if we put in the function 0 here, what we find and what we get, and by putting minus 2 what we get. These are the two values we have to find. Okay, let's find the value of p0. Px function we have 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. What will happen? 5 minus 4 into 0 plus 2 into sorry plus 2 into 0 square. So what will we get? 5 minus 0 plus 0 is equal to 5. So we have found the value of p0 as 5. What we have dealt? Here we have put the 0 in the function px and find its value. So for its first answer is 5. Okay, now Similarly, we will find the value of p minus 2. So let's see, 5 minus 4 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 whole square. So its value will come 5 minus minus 8 plus 8. 5 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 21. What we have done here? Okay. So we found two answers. One is 5 and one is 21. So first question has been dealt. Okay. Now next question. Next question says, if px is equal to x plus 3, then find the value of px plus p minus x. Okay. The question is telling px वैल्यू अगर x plus 3 है तो px और p minus x की वैल्यू निकालिए. तो px की वैल्यू तो ऑलरेडी पता है, हमको निकालना क्या है p minus x का, यानी कि हम लोग को x की जगह पे माइनस x रख देना है. तो देखते हैं p minus x की वैल्यू क्या होगी, इज इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स प्लस 3. अब देखिए दोनों को जोड़ देना है, पी एक्स को प्लस पी माइनस एक्स को. तो क्या हो जाएगा, एक्स प्लस 3 माइनस एक्स प्लस 3. करेक्ट. ये एक्स ये एक कट जाएगा, आ जाएगा आंसर 6. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन हियर. ओके, these are the basic questions which we have dealt. Okay, now next question, find the zero of the polynomial gx is equal to 5 minus 4x. Okay, so we have to find the zero of this polynomial 5 minus 4x. Gx is equal to 5 minus 4x. I've already told that 0 means its value of the function, So here what we will do, this is an expression, we will make it equation and then find the value of x. Okay, so 5 minus 4x is equal to 0. Okay, this is equation. Now we can find the value of x like we do in linear equation. 5 is equal to 4x, x is equal to 5 by 4. Done. Okay, so we have find the value of so we can say here 5 by 4 is the 0 of 5 minus 4x. Okay, this is how the next question has been dealt. I don't think you have any doubt till right now. If you have, then you can drop it to the query box, in the comment box. Okay, now the next question. Move to the next question right now. The next question says, if 2 and 0 are the zeros of polynomial fx is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b. Okay, then find the value of a and b. ओके, इट इज अ कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन। अगर 2 और 0 इसके दो जीरोज हैं, मतलब इसके दो वैल्यूज हैं, तो ए और बी का वैल्यू निकालिए। करेक्ट। सो देखते हैं। अब देखिए, अगर 2 और 0 दोनों ही इसका अगर जीरोज हैं, मतलब इसकी वैल्यूज हैं, यानी कि जब 2 रखेंगे तब भी इसकी वैल्यू 0 आएगी, और जब 0 रखेंगे तब भी इसकी वैल्यू 0 आएगी। यानी कि दोनों ही पुट करने पे एक इक्वेशन बनेगा ए और बी के टर्म में, और उस दोनों को सॉल्व करके हम लोग ए और बी की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं। ठीक है, लेट्स सी। फर्स्ट लेट्स डू p p2 is equal to 0. Then what will be, not p2, sorry, it will be f2. f2 is equal to 0. Then put 2, and it will be 2 into 2 whole cube minus 5 into 2 whole square plus a into 2 plus b is equal to 0. So it will come 16 minus 20 plus 2a plus b, means minus 4 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Therefore 2a plus b is equal to 4. Okay, so we have found the equation 1. 2a plus b is equal to 4. This I have shown here. See this line. Okay, 2a plus b is equal to 4. Now put f 0 is equal to 0. So what will happen? 2 into 0 cube plus 5 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b is equal to 0. So this whole thing will become 0. You got 2 into 0 0 plus 5 into 0 0. So this whole thing will 0, means b plus 0 is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. This is b plus 0 is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. Okay, so we will put the value of b in equation 1 and find the value of a. Correct. So here we have found the value of b. The value of b is 0. Okay, we are putting b is equal to 0 in this equation. Okay, what we have done here. Okay, so 2a plus, instead of b we will put 0 is equal to 4. It means 2a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 2. So in this question we were knowing that if 2 and 0 are the zeros of the function, then both will be equal to 0. So we have equated and find the value of a and b. The value of a is 2 and value of b is 0. So this is how we have dealt the question. before remainder theorem and factor theorem. Tomorrow I will be dealing with factor theorem and or remainder theorem. Okay, so upcoming session will be very important. So you can solve the question before remainder theorem and factor theorem right now from Adarsh Agarwal CBSE. Okay, thank you.